everyone, welcome on the channel. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. One love.
Morning guys. So I didn't get to cook my gilbaka like I wanted yesterday. So it's morning. It's Monday morning and we have to go to work. The kids have to go to school. So I'm gonna start cooking. I already have my rice on. I'm gonna go make bobo for the kids. And then I'm gonna start cooking my curry. Oh God, me fed up last season. Well, it can shut the door. Bomb. I've mixed it with the normal Nescom. 1 pack of Nutri-Bomb with quarter tin of the regular Nestum with 3 going meal. Gotta mix this up. Alright, so I just finished rinsing out the karahi. Where's the lighter? If I don't hurry, I'm gonna run out of time. I'm gonna mix my green seasoning now. I blend it up. Let me open this door to get a light. I forgot to blend up fine thyme in this seasoning, so I have to put in that, and I didn't put any onion. Alright, that's the fish there. That's the fish there. The seasoning. Onion here. I'm gonna peel this too, and then I have to get the salt. Of grind garlic powder. How we looking? I wake up Dion just now. There you go. See if Georgie don't eat your mango from Georgie put in a fish curry. Right. I don't like my curry too black. Too much masala. I'm not a masala fan. Right? Dion? Wake up. Peel the onion out. So I'm throwing my oil already. How this stove on me today? How come? The oil get too hot. Like what chunky this curry now. Georgie play bajan. Every Monday should play bajan. Shiva bajan. Bring this phone closer. Right, don't smell like fish curry, they're ready, guys. You're gonna add some water to this now. Have you done fry out? Yeah? Try get them clothes organized, man. Try get them clothes organized. Where you there, sit down? How you like wake up and sit down, man? You're not sleeping up? Teriyaki. You got enough curry for the people, man. You got like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces you got. Fish jump on the pot.
Snapper curry.
Fish, gilbaka fish.
Open na ba di
Mas much all the island is right in front of me. I'm get see if I get one
Open na ba di snapper?
no chicky when I sell this. No, but this one. But I don't know. How me gonna know? Never happen.
Yellow.
I've never feed back to go back. You go eat still. May I clean the stove? I mean, fish jump out there just now. Right. Let me cover this and leave it now.
Yes, we're the backyard. Yes?
Hmm?
Yes, we're the backyard.
You coming?
Somebody close the backyard.
You got some? No, check right on the chair and put them on. You know, you ain't got new stove yet. You know, you got new stove yet. Clean up steady, right? Well, let me show you what going on before you cover it and let it like steam down. Ria, wake up! Today's Monday. You have to go to school. Don't make me go that show on. Wait, anyway. You gotta get some hot water to throw in the pot. Alright, we're shaping up. Alright, the rice is finished. Alexa, alarm there, 7 o'clock already. Alexa, stop! Alright, time to go pack the kids' bag. Alright. We have it there. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the fine thyme inside this coconut milk here. I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. Right. Just added some more water along with that coconut water, some hot water, and let it boil. Let me give you a cold shot here. The bottom catch a bit. So it's sticking at the bottom there. I gotta take my time and get them off because it's all chunks I got. I mean, I like fish head. So I'm gonna try get it off the bottom of this karahi. And then I'm gonna cover it and leave it. And go by Georgie, them see if we can get a mango from the tree. Because you know, fish curry can go without mango. But if you could get it, why go without it, right? Okay. So I'm gonna cover this and leave it here. So, my bimbo and we get a mango. I cut this up. I'm gonna leave the skin on because it's nice and it's young. So I'm gonna cut this up in like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll see how many pieces I get. So we get some nice mango there for put in the curry. I take out the middle and then drop there in the canary. I even get a ketchup and put in the mango inside the food. Alright, so I put in the mango here. Don't turn this too much, right? I gotta shift it there. Try to get the spoon into the groove. A little groove. Well, the end is pick up the whole canary, the whole karahi and shake them. Me can't do that. You can do that, but that's not how me do it. So, right? Let it simmer down a little bit. Ready? Go that side and go with this skin. Alright, I'm going to wash them wares. Now let me see, I'm going to pack them back and I'm going to get a start.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Sini balik.
This is just wait for Hello!
Lantai na ha.
Ma! Chiffy, treat! Ma! Why you drag the bike here? Because you know the bike won't come with me. Morning, babies. I have to get my morning kiss up. Let me tell you how this life will go, right? I tell you, if somebody want to offer you something, it's up to you if you want to take it or not. But not because people give you something, you're going to ask them for more thing. Me not like people who stay so. If me want to give you something, me will give you. But not because you see me can't find hard to give you something, I mean you'll come steady and ask. That bad habit, I must cut it out. Curry done.
Ma,
My curry finish.
where all the pies are in the house from the basket?
Where you gone? Up to last night or this morning, me make sure me put a basket. You never find nothing, you're there right in front of your eye, you don't find. Let's show open she eye, you're right there. That shouldn't get put in work now. Taking out Tarun food for school. What happened there, man? Why you keep knocking on the bottle? Can't give you bone. Let's see your nice piece. Another bone. And we got take out. I don't take out lunch for work, but we only take out the rice. Now I'm going to put the curry in here. You don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. I don't like brush your teeth. What you come walk? Mayo. The park next to Harbor Bridge. Guys, check this out. It's a cotton tree at the top there, right? So I just peeped through my window. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Oi! I didn't get to catch that one. Alright. So I peeped through the window just now and I saw the cottons are flying everywhere. By the time them all this cotton don't fly, and I got none left on this tree. Look at it. Well, last you guys seen a cotton tree. When I was small growing up, we had one in our backyard. Look here. Cotton. But I could remember it used to be white. The one that we had in our backyard. It used to be white. This one has a brownish color. But it's, oh my god. It is so satisfying to hold this thing in your hand and play with it. That's a Dutchman that's lived on cotton tree. Or on the cotton tree or something like that. That's a story yes here growing up, huh? This cotton feels so nice. Oh, this is so beautiful. Check it out, guys. So guess what? It's Chew Snapper kind of day. It's Wednesday. Don't mind it. I don't know how it looks so brown on the video, but you know me. I gotta butter it up nice. Yeah, don't worry about that piece. That piece didn't get no flour. So we have the fish frying here. I know when you're stewing fish, you don't fry it too long because you end up on boiling this thing little. But I'm not gonna drop it in here for long. This is my stew being prepared. With tomato paste or tomato paste, however you want to call it. Some nice blue pepper. I got my potato, some onion, the green seasoning, and that's frying there. Then I got some nice slice of tomato here waiting. These are frozen, and then some shallot. Papa wants to know what is that. It's fire, baby. It's dangerous. Alright, so I just throw water in this stew. So let that boil. This stew is gonna get a bit thicker. My fish is still frying, and I got one more piece to fry there. Time to add in. I throw some fine thyme in here. Fine thyme. Let's work nice in stew. So I'm gonna add these here. And let that boil. You see when you batter the fish, right, with flour, if you do it too thick, when you put this inside the sauce for the stew, this will start to suck up all the juice, and you don't end up and left without any juice to eat this food with. Something hardy. I like to add a bit of ketchup in my stew sauce. It just work nice. Some people put sugar. I'm not gonna put sugar. This ketchup sweet enough. It's tomato when you're done at the end of the day. What happened, Papa? The fish is hungry? Oh, baby gotta feed the fish.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't throw it yet. Don't throw it yet.
Every morning they come. Mommy, the fish hungry. Good job.
What? No, yeah. You know me, cook this too. It tastes nice.
Hey, man, hey. Don't go start with me here. You can never cook a stew fish and give me and me enjoy it.
What?
You don't know about stew, you know about curry. What Alexa do you?
There's an air quality alert in effect until
Alexa, jalapeno?
Alexa, which one is it? Alexa, shut the alarm, bomb clock alarm off. Here, Alexa. It is 7:30 a.m.
Man say all big attitude with in his house.
Oh yeah, my the best son. My soft.
My soft?
My attitude is soft tone.
My sassy. That's the way I call sassy.
She
The
not
bond
quarrel.
piece.
She only get mad sometimes.
She blackmail you, but you say you love me.
I thought this you love me.
No, but you say you love me.
Yesterday, me
Look
have-
at Metro on your canary. No, when I help you hold this phone, my. If Ari went to Ari help video, do me video in. I did not help. I don't want to eat. Keeping this piece for me. Oh, my head, hey, man, I didn't know that should go in.
Wow, head sweet, girl.
No, but I'm not afraid of white flour.
That's the sweetest part. That's why you're supposed to do stew fish.
No, it's not white flour. Real and
Oh, looking good. Mm-hmm. You gotta put some nice marina for boil on top steam.
It's not for a while in there. What do you want? You want video me face. I don't want to see me face, but I want to see the food. How the food going on. What's going on with the food. This is the people I'm concerned.
What you consider this as? Stew or curry?
This is stew, Dion.
Eh?
Stew, you get tomato paste.
So when you
curry
cook-
and masala, jeera,
So when you cook-
curry powder.
So when you cook chicken curry, some people just call it stew also.
Well, I don't know. I'll ask them.
Truth, that's everything is stew. Once you get gravy,
well,
it's stew.
Well, you can go ask them.
The only way in Guyana is call this stew, but they get tomato paste.
I don't know, but it tastes nice already.
So anything with gravy is stew. According
You
to
see?
how I know it. Not me. Jamaicans, I think, just call it so.
Much pepper is this thing here, this man here.
Aye.
You know you're able to have them over with more pepper. Like a dash 5 pepper in your bowl, me take out your
Me
food.
want 10 pepper and a 5.
So there we have it, our stew fish. That is bun because me like bun fish. For some reason, me like when it bun. What you eating? See daddy broke up your fish for a man left in there. What you eating eh? You know what you eating? Stew fish and bread. That's stew fish. Me know you get all the potato for because you know eat it. Alright, so I went to collect my cash rent and I'm here. I came over in GT to go to work through the boat. So this is GT in the rain. But that's not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is this delicacy that we just find in Guyana here. You see this thing here? I know y'all know what it is. See? Guinea. Ah, bread nut, Katahar seed. Well, I'm going to take the Katahar seed, auntie. And you're going to give me some of this guinea. The guinea sweet? Alright. See we got? Look, fresh, nice pear there too. I got to see if I got any ripe one. And right here? Yeah, go in there just now. We got some nice fresh fruits. Plus some nice green mango. But I get mango from Georgie, them tree. Right, so it's a rainy Georgetown. I gotta go get the bus. Them taxi might want tax me close to $3,000 for go at Houston now. Yeah, I'm gonna see this little piece of video shake because I got dodge pools of water. Plus I got a bag hang on my hand. It's raining. It's raining cats and dogs. Is that what I call it? The raining cats and dogs. Busy GT. The cars are so close to each other. Don't forget people are walk too. Excuse me, let me pass. Alright, make a pass here. I'm too fast. Me pass, but me pass. I'm going to get the bus. I'm going to get a short drop bus for go Houston. No. Houston, short. Ooh. So where to go and sleep by? Alright, I've reached work site. Well, not exactly work site. I gotta walk in. I have my umbrella. Just kidding. My umbrella. And I'm gonna walk in now. It's gonna take me like 5 minutes to walk in. Guys, this is what I call Vera compound. One of them allowed me to go splash it like a 2 splash in the pool over there. Someday. This is the distance I've walked already. This walking has helped me to stay fit. I gotta go around this bend here, then take a right turn and go straight. Then you reach a bond. That's our office. Oh look, there's the 3 bonds there. The middle one is where we're at. You see them little trailers? Yes? I better buy one of this and move in by. Care to put it on the land in Barfade there. And go and live in peace. Walking. See? You cannot see the road anymore from here. Sometimes when you're walking from the old Garfor Road, you walk down and you gotta come through here. But not me taking that road out there in this weather. When the people come pass and splash water for me. And then I gotta stay with a wet clothes whole day. Right. Here we are. I'm almost there. Mr. Vera got some big machines that he's selling. What do you call these drag lines? Hymac excavators. Oh, my uncle told me the other day the machine is named Hymac. He said the brand name is Hymac. But growing up, every time we see a machine like this, we say, oh, look at Hymac. See, I see them machines that Mr. Vera has to sell. If anybody interested, link me up and I'll link you up with the guy that's selling them. Them people belong to the other bond. Morning, huh? What time you gonna reach a walk if me do that? Me don't reach. Morning, huh? I went telling them people that you got machines to sell. Just sell them stuff, right? Just sell them things, right? Mr. Vera asked me for one video the guy loading up the truck.
I thought you lived in the pattern of Polotale wood. You Polotale wood.
I think this is a gas tank. They made these right here. These are mostly mining stuff. Here, catch it. I don't think the cotton's gonna be flying around today because of the rain. Yesterday, the cotton was flying everywhere. Huh? Yeah. No. I know the yard good man. I can come back and catch. I gotta go take off my bag and stuff and clock in. Now it's almost 11. Alright, let me go. Good morning, boss. Now them guys loading up there. Some other stuff here too. I'll go in and get some, gonna wash my cup so I can make some coffee and start my day. Them girls downstairs laughing at me because Vera does not really harass them people. Like I said, I got my own luck with Vera. Vera asking me if I want to do video. yesterday, come looking for me when the cotton start flying in the yard. And he came looking for me downstairs, he shouting at them girls. But the girl with the camera there, because she come, because she brings the camera, come video the cotton them fly. The girl said, you got your own luck with me, right? I tell you, I should I got my own luck with anybody, yeah? When you're nice to people, people can be nice to you. And when you're nice overall and you don't harass people, then everybody must got a little, at least a little, you know, you live a life in a way that nobody should have nothing against you, and in that way you're making your life easier, and you know you live a little stress, a little. There's one stress you don't have to go through, at least.